Hi everyone, my name is Destiny, but you can call me Desto. I'm the person you talk to via customer service. Hello, this is Test Bros. I love camping, but I'm also allergic to trees. And this is Marley.
I don't know what to do.
She's behind our content production.
Is that good?
Yep.
And handles a lot of our social media. She's never been camping and is usually covered in bug bites 5 minutes after walking outside. Our plans over the next few days include driving about 850 miles round trip, hitting several overlooks in the Smoky Mountains, and sleeping in our Tesla. It looks like there might be one open.
No, you're supposed to push it.
What do you mean?
You're supposed to use the...
Oh, you're right. Ooh. Okay, don't tell G. And then I must have pressed this button. I didn't do that.
Maybe.
What is the screen saying?
Starting to charge. It's green now?
Yeah. Perfect. Look how cool that is. So it says high usage supercharger station, charging limit set to 80%. Does that mean that's only going to charge to 80%? I mean, it says it right here too. Adjust limit. Do I press that?
Wait, should we call G?
No. The charging thing says that the charging limit is set to 80%. Is that normal?
It's just what it's saying is because it's a heavy usage supercharging area, Tesla limits all the chargers.
Okay.
So that it gets distributed a certain way.
Got you. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, put it at, try putting it
Okay.
to 100.
How do we do that? Do we do that on the app?
Just click on the little charging, the battery, and then after that go to limit. And then after that, just slide it over to the end. So it's full. So I'm looking at your car right now.
Got it. Thank you,
Thank
G.
you.
Have fun.
Thanks. Bye.
What would we do without Dad?
I know.
You just press the button?
Yeah, just press the button.
And what do you...
And then...
Hey.
I should stop.
Okay, we're getting close to Cades Cove. Oh my god.
It just gets very curvy.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Just don't close your eyes.
I know. I hate this. I feel like it'd be better if it wasn't raining. Should I take it off? I feel like I'm probably not going to drive better in the rain. Oh, it's a bear. Oh my god, with its cubs. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. It's a bear. Wait, stop.
Put it around this way.
Okay.
What number are we? 215?
250, yeah. Oh my gosh, so good. Did we get it?
Yeah. Yeah, we hit it.
Where did we get it?
It was like back here, but since it's that,
Oh.
it didn't do anything. We can cut that out.
We made it.
I think it's this one.
Or
No, it's not this one.
is it?
Yeah, we'll have to do this one. You didn't walk us through this.
We did it on purpose.
I think this is what we're supposed to do. Okay. Need to open this. All right, now here's to open that this works. Let it turn off. Does this like do anything?
I wonder what those things are.
Yeah, well I just switched the 30. I wonder if you switch both. I think it's charging.
Yeah, it's green now.
18 hours.
Good thing we'll be here all night.
So we have the wrong charger. So right now we're using a wall plug, which is giving us pretty much no charge in the morning because we'll have used some of it. We'll probably be fine. But this is something to keep in mind when you are camping in your car.
Did you get that car?
I did. So we just set up the dream case. It was super easy to set up. It only took us a couple of minutes. It seems really soft, like fit memory foam. So we're really excited to see what it's like tonight.
Night.
Night.
The dream case itself was really easy to take out, to put back together. It was pretty comfortable, but I mean, everybody sleeps different, so if you like sleeping on a cloud, you might want to bring a mattress topper. But overall, it was a really good experience. Would do it again.
We are doing it again.
We are doing it again. We're doing it tonight. Getting better at this thing.
Mm-hmm. Linn Cove. So we just left Linn Cove. It was beautiful. The views were incredible. We're driving back to Asheville to supercharge again before we head to our campsite in Pigeon Forge. The overall driving experience, I feel like for me, is getting a little bit easier. More specifically, the autopilot. We are going through the mountains and it is like a lot of curves. It does stress me out a little bit, especially when we're going kind of fast. But overall, I feel like I'm beginning to trust the Tesla, which I think is good. I know, we're professionals now.
Try this again.
Yep, we have the right plug this time.
This is the
Nima.
Nina 1450.
The 50 up. You had to turn on it. Turn it up.
So it's doing like 26 miles an hour instead of 0.
Just a quick tip, make sure that you call the campsite beforehand and make sure that they have a 1450 plug. Otherwise, you'll be like what we were last night, charging on just a regular wall plug. And obviously, you're not going to get as much charge. Campfire quesadillas.
Ooh, that looks good.
I could already go to sleep right now. Ow. My head.
I used to wear bug spray. Are they even covering you at all? Just me?
No,
We woke up early this morning and drove to Newfound Gap to see the sunrise.
obviously beautiful.
It's gorgeous, so it was definitely worth it.
It was nice using the NEMA 1450 and not having to worry about if we were going to have charge this morning.
Yeah.
So definitely slept a little bit better because of that. Now we're going to head back to Knoxville to charge, and then we're going to head home. But overall, I thought it was a great weekend. It was a lot of fun. Learned a lot about Teslas and my anxiety with autopilot, but ultimately think I got over it. We'll see on the way home.
Also, to point out, we did save a lot of money by charging instead of using gas.
Yeah.
I think it was, like half the cost.
Mm-hmm.
It takes a little bit longer to charge, but, I mean, it's not that bad waiting.
Yeah.
As long as you plan for it. That was the key, I think, that we learned here, was just plan.
For sure.
So, well, thanks for watching, and good luck on your road trip.
Until next time.